Welcome back to JW Tech Bytes. Today we'll look at 10 AI Chrome extensions that you can use to boost your productivity at work, school, content creation, or in your business. Some are powered by ChatGPT while others are not. We shall start with TextCortex. TextCortex is an AI extension that lets you create any type of content with ease, taking away 70% of the work around it. And you can do it with any text box online. If you're on a Word document, you can press Alt plus Enter to pop up the extension, where it gives you features such as breakdown, find action items, meeting agenda, rewrite, summarize, fix spelling and grammar, make longer or shorter, and finally continue writing, which then populates a response that you can copy, retry, discard, or insert directly. If you highlight any text in the text box, the toolbar will appear, then you can access the features we talked about. You can even rewrite the text and copy it back to the document. This tool is amazing and makes overcoming writer's block a breeze. It also has many templates you can pick from and can improve your creative writing ability through the suggestions generated by AI. Install TextCortex today and start writing better, faster, and from everywhere. The second one is ChatGPT Prompt Genius. As the name suggests, this is an extension that will help you supercharge your prompts. I will leave a link below on another video I did on prompts. Once you have the extension installed, click on it and open the extension. It will then give you this demo that tells you how to use the prompts features. Next, we can come to curated prompt templates and we can search for academic. It will give you this prompt where you'll only need to insert the suggested request here at the tail end of the prompt. Besides use this prompt, you have the option to delete or share the prompt. For our case, we will click use this prompt and it automatically takes you to ChatGPT and asks you insert the value you'd like generated. Say predictive analysis using machine learning and submit. And it will quickly populate for you the results. You can also now search for prompts here, and you will notice when you go to new chat, you can now have this. You will now see this new menu that lets you choose the category you want and search for prompts. As you can see, this is a powerful extension that helps with improving productivity at work or school. Then we have TextBlaze, the Chrome extension that allows you to create custom snippets and templates for all your typing needs. It has endless customizability, powerful automation, works anywhere you work, and can save you hours by automating any repetitive typing. To add a snippet, just click New here, then it will generate the snippet. You can rename the shortcut from /do to what you want and even give the snippet a unique name. Let me show you how it works. If you click on demo, you can see it has a signature and the shortcut for this is SIG. We shall now click try it out to see how it works. By typing /SIG, you get the signature in full. Another example would be on Google Docs. You can use Ctrl+Shift+ on any page to enable the plugin. Next, we type /SIG and there it is. You can even add a form by typing /form. This can be used for email. As you can see, it repopulates and you could just need to fill in the highlighted sections. Then click insert and there you have it, an easy way to reduce the time you spend doing repetitive tasks. Next, we have one I use every day, Merlin Chat GPT. It gives you access to ChatGPT 4 for free, has unlimited Google searches, helps in writing emails, Twitter posts, YouTube summaries, among others. To start using the plugin, simply install it and open a free account. If you open YouTube, you should see the summary video option and it quickly generates for you a detailed summary of the video that you can copy and paste to somewhere else where you can work on it. Next, on email, you can call Merlin AI on any page by pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard or pressing here. Then on the pop-up, you can write your prompt, get a response, and paste it directly on the email. Note, you can enable web access here and switch between GPT-3 and 4. Another feature is when you search anything on Google, it generates a response automatically for you on the right-hand side along with Google results. This is very helpful as it gives you a quick summary of what you're looking for, unlike getting links to pages for you to go ahead to navigate further to get the definition of a term. Next, on Twitter, you have the option to create a response using these templates or click Customize to create your own. If you click Funny Tweet, it will generate a tweet for you. Then, there is Picture in Picture by Google. With this extension, you don't have to choose between watching a video or getting work done. Go to the video you want to watch and click on the Picture in Picture extension. Then now simply navigate to another window and voila, you can now work and listen to a video at the same time. To close this mode, simply click on Back to tab on the video and you will be out of the picture-to-picture mode. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to watch videos while they work. With its easy-to-use interface and compatibility with multiple browsers, it can help you save time and be more productive. Next, we have ChatGPT for search engine. You can install this from the site. I'll leave a link on the description below, then simply add the plugin. The extension integrates with Google Search by giving you results on the right-hand side when you search for anything on Google, just like Merlin extension. However, it also has extra features. If you refresh ChatGPT, you will now get a variety of prompt templates that are easy to use. You can filter them by type of prompt you would like to make it easier to get the prompt you're looking for. You even have top prompts, which gives you a list of the latest and most popular prompts used, like this one, human-like rewriter, that can help you make your thesis or report seem more human-like. In here, you can go further to pick the style and tone you'd like, safe, professional, and the output language. This is an all-rounded extension that you can consider. Now, we have another one I use a lot, SciSpace Copilot. It is the ultimate AI research assistant. It can summarize any website, article, scientific or academic paper, or anything you find online or as a PDF. This is how it works. Say you're on Google Scholar looking at machine learning algorithms and open this article. Simply click on the extension and it will get ready to answer your questions based on the content on the page. As you can see, it can create conclusions, find evidence in papers, summarize articles, and even explain highlighted text. If you have doubts on the output, you can even ask follow-up questions and it will reply it in line to the initial response, as you can see. Next, you can upload PDFs. Simply right-click on the extension and choose the first option. It will take you to the website, and here you can search for any article you'd like, or you can upload it as a PDF. Once you upload, they will be added to the folder as shown, and you can even edit the name of the folder. If you click on any one of the uploaded PDFs, it will load it up and you can interact with the PDF document as you would in the extension mode. This tool helps you have a conversation with your document and is a total time saver for literature review and research, or if you read a lot of articles for work that you have to go through. I would definitely recommend this one for anyone doing research. Next up is Paragraph AI, which helps you write better and faster. Whether you're struggling with YouTube scripts, academic or article writing, this tool will help you save time and improve your writing game with improved grammar and instant replies. I'll show you how it works. Say you are on your Google document and you'd like to generate an introduction to this paper. You can click on the plugin once you've created a free account. Then simply choose the tone you would like. For our case, we'll choose academic. Then enter the prompt, for example, introduction to the title of the article, and write. It will then generate an introduction that you can copy and paste to your Word document. And there you have it. You can also do a lot more from here, like write the next paragraph, reply to an email or tweet, improve your text by correcting, expanding, or shortening. Whether you're writing an academic paper, a blog post, or a YouTube script, the Paragraph AI Chrome extension has got you covered. Use this extension today and take your writing game to the next level. For email writing, we have ChatGPT Writer that can make your email writing that much easier with quick responses by AI. You can also set up a shortcut to summon it from the instructions on the download page. Simply go to your email, click Compose, and as you can see, Now you have this icon when you install the extension. If, say for example, you're responding to a previous email, it would auto-populate it up here, and you can copy and paste or write the email context. But for our case, we can generate an email that follows up on a project that was due last week. Then say generate. Once done, you can preview the email, then you can insert it to generate the email, where you can again make any necessary changes you'd like before you press send. Finally, we have YouTube and article summary with ChatGPT. As the name suggests, it can be used to summarize any YouTube videos. This can be for research, assignments, or work, and you simply don't have the time to go through a whole 1 hour plus YouTube video. You go to YouTube once you install, and then click here to summarize the script, which will open ChatGPT on default and give you a summary with key points from the video. This works really well for long videos. Also, you can generate the transcript, which supports different languages. You can also copy the whole transcript and have access to user settings where you can modify the ChatGPT model, language, and even prompt for summaries. As a bonus, I'll show you Temp Mail, a useful plugin that gives you access to a disposable temporary email that you can use to log into any website. Simply click on this icon once you activate the plugin, and it will auto-generate a temporary email for you. You can enter a password and create an account. If you click on the extension, you will see you also have the option to change or copy the email. And you can also receive emails like OTP code to confirm an account creation. And with this, you won't have to create accounts on every website you visit. And that's it. Remember, if you liked the video, share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.